I'm always on the go, whether it's late nights at work, scrambling to the gym, or squeezing in just the tiniest shred of a social life. In all the rush, some things just fall to the wayside. And one area where I'm really trying to rebound in is with my diet. What you eat is super important for your health. And for someone like me who doesn't always make time for grocery shopping, I want to be sure that I can get consistent meals that are delicious, quick, and easy that can power me through my hectic schedule. And let me tell you, meal delivery services have been a game changer. I've been exploring a bunch of them and sampling their healthy meal options. And after extensive tasting and research, I've narrowed down just a few that really stand out and score pretty high in my book in terms of quality, taste, and nutritional value. So in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down my top 5 meal delivery services, what they offer, how much they cost, the pros and cons of each one, and if they could be the right fit for you or not. So without further ado, let's get right into this comparison. Now, starting off my lineup, in the number 1 spot is Green Chef. They earned my top ranking with their clean food, healthy diets, and nutritious recipes made with seasonal, organic ingredients. Across all their menus, you can choose from up to 80 options that cater to keto, plant-based, restricted calorie, and gluten-free diets, with a general Mediterranean menu for flexitarians and plenty of options for pescatarians and carnivores as well. And on top of their already really wide selection, Green Chef is a great choice for vegetarians and vegans alike who can get at least 9 new meals to choose from each week. And Green Chef is certified organic by the US Department of Agriculture, meaning you can expect more than 95% organic fresh produce, eggs, and proteins unless it's labeled otherwise. Plus, subscribers get free nutritional coaching sessions to help them choose a meal or reach a personal health goal that they have. They also have a big extra menu of wholesome breakfast, lunch, and snack options, and you can expect to pay around $12 per meal per serving, with $10 for delivery. And if you're conscious about what goes into the earth just as much as what goes into your body, Green Chef claims to be the most sustainable food delivery service out there. According to them, their carbon footprint for deliveries and plastic packaging is 100% offset by their eco-friendly policies. But I gotta say that even though recipes that prioritize health can produce tasty foods, Green Chef's portions always felt a little bit small for my appetite, and their dishes contained fewer ingredients than other meal kits, so some of the meals were a bit underwhelming flavor-wise. But overall, this meal kit service puts a lot of thought and care into creating nourishing, healthy meals for the well-being of their subscribers and for the earth, and that's what really won me over with them. Now, runner-up on my list is Factor. They're a meal prep service from HelloFresh that delivers pre-cooked meals to your door for healthy food that's ready in just a few minutes. Factor lets you pick from around 35 meals per week, with plenty of choices for vegetarians or any of your typical low-carb, high-protein diets. They're also a really great option if you're trying to lose weight. I've tried a few of their calorie smart meals and was pleasantly surprised by how tasty and filling that they are. Now, all of Factor's recipes are created in a collaboration with dietitians and chefs, so they're designed to be both healthy and delicious. And they're freshly prepared with, as much as possible, organic or seasonal whole food ingredients that are free from antibiotics, GMOs, and hormones. Your single-serve meals are delivered chilled, never frozen, in a recyclable package, ready to heat and eat. Naturally, the organic ingredients and preparation contribute to the price per meal, which can vary depending on how many you buy each week, the minimum being 6, which works out to about $14 per serving, but this comes down to just $11.50 if you order the maximum amount of 18 per week. Now, although they don't always look the prettiest when you remove them from their containers, Factor meals deliver on flavor and texture that you wouldn't expect from reheated food. While this meal prep service is a better fit for singles or couples than it is for families, they suit anyone that's pressed for time or trying to stick to a diet. Though on the downside, judging from the many reviews that I read, they could stand to improve a little bit on the customer service department, because that's the main thing that I see people complaining about, more so than occasional problems with deliveries, missing ingredients, or damaged packages, stuff of that nature. But the big plus with Factor is that you can get easy, nutritious meals that are just as convenient as fast food, but way more wholesome. So they get my thumbs up for championing quality ingredients in a creative menu that's very nutritious, and if you stick to 1 portion per meal, might even help you lose some weight. And if you decide to try any of these meal delivery options, you can check out the affiliate links that are down in the description. They don't cost you anything. As a matter of fact, you might even be eligible to get a bit of a discount on each of them, which you wouldn't get if you went directly to any of their websites. Okay, so the next up on our list is HelloFresh, an international meal kit service, which for an average average of around $10 a plate, gives you a box of ingredients with instructions to create healthy, balanced, nourishing meals at home in less than around 30 minutes. But while their dishes are definitely healthier than fast food, takeout, or processed ingredients, they aim to make the tastiest meals, not the healthiest. Like other meal services, you can set your menu preferences when you subscribe, and they do include a decent selection of vegetable and fish options, but this service is a better match for people who don't have strict dietary rules and are just looking for easy, tasty, and moderately healthy food. You can search their menu by regional cuisine, ingredient, or food type to find dishes that you want to create for yourself, and they've just added the option to customize certain meals and change, swap, or upgrade sides and proteins. HelloFresh recipes favor more mainstream, less sophisticated home-style cooking with punchy flavors and family-friendly dishes. And they try to keep up with new culinary trends in their weekly menu lineup of over 30 meals, plus a huge selection of convenience foods that you can add on to your orders if you want to. But although their portions are generous and they never use processed ingredients, they could do better with adding more vegetable sides to their meals, I think. And once or twice, some of the produce I got was bruised or squashed, but they generally deliver well-packed quality ingredients that they source directly from their suppliers to cut down on the processing, packaging, and carbon emissions aspects. In fact, a life cycle study by HelloFresh compared the journey from farm to fork of a HelloFresh meal to one made from supermarket ingredients, and it found that HelloFresh meals have a 31% smaller carbon footprint. So they're good for the environment, and their food is pretty good too. In fact, I can't remember any of the meals in particular that I've had from them that I didn't really enjoy. Now, jumping over to Home Chef. They're another great subscription service for weekly meal kits that you can order from their website or through the app. And unlike most other food services, you get the option with Home Chef to stipulate other foods that you don't want to include, such as pork, mushrooms, peanuts, or shellfish. But although it's flexible for those with allergies, this probably isn't the best service for really finicky eaters with really special, specific dietary needs. Home Chef is better for inexperienced cooks and younger diners, so their menu is mainly geared towards students and families with the kind of meals that you might normally order in or take out. I'm talking about burgers, tacos, and pasta dishes, stuff like that. If you lean towards fancier food, you'll find it in the Plus menu, but this section offers quite standard fare, like sirloin steak and cream spinach, for example, making this the least pretentious sort of meal kit delivery service that I've tried. With Home Chef, it's clear that convenience is king. Aside from their meal kits, they have a line called Fast and Fresh that you can microwave in a few minutes, or there's the oven-ready meals, where the most time-consuming step is just waiting for the oven to heat up. Their meal kit prices average out at around $10 per serving, but they do have meals starting at just $8 if you're cooking for a family and budget is a priority. In some ways, Home Chef is like a convenience store that delivers to your door because they have a big extras menu with a la carte meats and other foods like bread, pizza, soup, and salad, stuff like that. You can also get canned coffee or oven-ready muffins and cookies to bake for yourself. All of this makes Home Chef a great choice for anyone who wants food on the table as quickly as possible. So to sum things up, after trying these meal delivery services, I found each one had something special to offer for a range of diets and households. But between the 5 of these, Green Chef has remained my #1 choice with their high-quality, organic, health-conscious dishes and eco-friendly platform. Factor 75 follows with convenient, ready-to-heat and eat meals crafted by chefs and dietitians. Really great for busy, health-conscious people or busy with work and you just want to stick to your diet. Whereas HelloFresh balances taste and convenience with globally inspired, family-friendly menus. And Home Chef offers convenience and variety, featuring budget-friendly, easy-to-prepare meals, ideal for busy families. And don't forget, if you decide to try any of the meal delivery services, you can check out the affiliate links down in the description below. Doesn't cost you anything, and you'll get a bit of a discount that you wouldn't find if you go directly to their website. Now, of course, I enjoy hearing from you, my viewers, so if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, as always, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.